Greetings, everyone. Welcome to the Green Kitchen. I'm Amy. And today, my husband Rick is going to show you how he cuts a watermelon.
Hi, welcome to Be Green with Amy. Today, we're going to show you how I cut a watermelon. In many ways that people cut watermelons, this I found to be the easiest way for me. So let's get to it. You take a watermelon, cut it in half. Okay? I use this, it's a bread knife. It's got a serrated edge, but I've used many knives before. I used regular 8-inch kitchen knife. This one works pretty good. So you cut it in half, put one off to the side. And you take it, flip it down, cut it in half again. So now it's quartered. Then I take it and I slice it. Now, the way I slice it so that I can make chunks. I mean, this could give it so that you can eat it, you know, but I make it so that I can make it into chunks and I put it inside of a container like this. So then I take this and I just slice down along the edge like that, okay? And I take the knife and I cut it into those chunks. They just fall right into the bowl. And then you have those nice 1-inch chunks. And I just keep doing that. It's a pretty simple process. And it's also nice, easy cleanup. See that? Cut along the edge, slice, 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 slice. Go in. Goes right into the bowl. When I get to the edge here, that's it. Simple as it is. Nice, easy cutting, fairly easy cleanup. So you slice, 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 slice. Pretty much 1-inch chunks. Might be a little larger. Bite size. You can make them as big or as small as you want. And I find that inside of this bowl, which I think is 64 ounces, I get a half a medium watermelon, no problem, inside of that. Then you stick this bowl in the refrigerator. And you have watermelon chunks that you can add to your smoothies. You can just eat them for a snack, stick them in a bowl. I like to make them into, put them in my smoothies, and I like to eat them as a snack. You know, for little kids to eat them like that, that's a different way. But this is a nice, simple way to cut watermelon and still get an easy, in my opinion, cleanup process. It's the simplest way I've found to cut watermelon. Might take a little bit of knife skills, but I don't find it to be dangerous at all. So, I hope that helped you. Just take that chunk. That's delicious. Enjoy. So I use these glass lock and locks. Got a little domed ridge. I don't know if you can see that. Fits right over there. That's it. It's watertight. Store it in the refrigerator. These are freezable. I don't freeze the watermelon, but like I said, I use it for smoothies more than anything else.
Thanks, Rick. Thanks for watching, everybody. Until we see you again, remember, be strong, be well, and be
green.
Bye-bye.